Well, hi. Today I would like to show you 10 legitimate virtual assistant jobs to make $100 a day working from home easy, because this is easy money. If you have some simple virtual assistant job skills, then you are going to earn a decent amount of money from this method. But that just simply watch this video till the end, where I'm going to show you 10 website that is really want you to hire if you have some virtual assistant skills. So what type of skills I'm going to show you later, but simply you just go through the sites. You can just pick these websites are legit and trusted, and you can work without any worries about it. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to show you the first website to be a virtual assistant. Is called 24/7 virtualassistants.com. Yes, this is 24/7 virtualassistant.com is a virtual assistant job providing service. So they service various companies to provide virtual assistance job, and in that process they need you to be a virtual assistant, so that they can work with that and you can earn money from that process. So simply, if you just go over to this website, they have a really good website. You can just learn about many things about it, but simply just go over to their career sections. Here it will load something like this. This is the career page. You can see they briefly explained how you can apply with that. If you just simply send your resume to this email address, and then you just tell how good you are and what is your experience and so on so forth in your resume, and this will be a great for them, so that they can hire you in no time. So the second website that I have to show is called fancyhands.com. So fancyhands.com is also a virtual assistance service provider, which is US based company. So if you live in the US, you can try this website. You just simply scroll through this website. You can learn more things about it without any hassle. You can simply just go to their menu sections, and you can see that there is a jobs links. If you just click on that, it will load the jobs page, which is like this. You just simply click on this blue apply for a assistant positions button, and you just submit your application so that they can verify you, they can test your qualifications, and also contact you so that you can be a virtual assistant from them and you can earn money online. So the third website that I have to show is called smartpapartnership.com. Smartpa is also a virtual assistance service provider that can hire you as a virtual assistant, and you can just work with that. So if you just go over to this website, you can see that you can scroll through all the benefits and process how they work, how the virtual assistants work. But if you want to be like one, you just click this button, become a smart PA, and you just submit your applications so that you can be a virtual assistant with this website. So this is the third website. The number fourth positions is called verbatims-cc. So verbatim-cc is an UK. So the site address is verbatim-cc.co.uk. So they provide virtual assistant jobs for UK based locations. So if you live on UK, you can just go through these websites, and if you just scroll mouse hover on your about us menu, you can see that there is a career page. If you click on that, this page will show the career sections of verbatim. You just see how they briefly explained what it is all about and how you can do that. You can see that they have a job opening right now, and their requirement and positions and duty and responsibilities and salary, everything is out there. You can see that, and if you just click on this, you can just apply for them by completing this simple application form with uploading your resume here. So this is the simple process to be a virtual assistant to apply with them. So this is the number 4 position. The number 5th position is FBSPL. So it is fusionfirst.com. Fusionfirst.com is also a virtual assistance providing company, which is really professional site. You can just go through this website if you like, and if you just go over to their menu sections, there is a career sections. If you click on that, this page will show up their career page, and you can see that how easily you can apply different type of job positions. They are open for you. Not only virtual assistants, they can provide you jobs around many more sections as well. So this is all it is all about. Simply go to their job sections and apply for them by sending your resume, and you are good to go. So number 6th position is called Belay Solutions. So belaysolutions.com is also a virtual assistant service provider, and you can see they have a job sections here. If you click on that, you can see that they have a really good way to be a virtual assistant without any problem. So you can have a job, have a life, and enjoy both according to their statement. If you just click on this apply now button, it will show all the jobs positions right currently open for you, and you can apply it. And as well as if you get hired, you can earn decent amount of money just by providing virtual assistance. So virtual assistance is virtual assistance, so that means you do not have to go somewhere to provide this service. You can just work at home through online, and that's it. You can just get paid from working from home. So number 7 position is WikiVirtual.com. WikiVirtual.com is also a virtual assistant service provider that provides service, and this is a very old site obviously, but right now they may most probably their career page or their job openings are not available right now. So if you just go there, this is a legit virtual assistant job provider. So without any worries, you can send your resume to these emails or contact them by their phone number, or contact them to their social media accounts and send your resume to their email address, so that when there is an opening, you are in the list so that they can hire you. You should be in the waiting list if you send them the resume. So next time they will hire you, they will simply definitely call you for that. So the number 8 positions is called Timeitc.com. Yes, Timeitc.com is also a virtual assistant job provider, which is USA based virtual assistant job provider. So if you live in the USA, you are in the good hands. You can just go there and apply as a virtual assistant simply by just going to their work for us. Right at the bottom, you can see that they have a work for us link here. If you just click on that, it will load the work for us sections, which you can just apply as a virtual assistant. But simply click on this, find out more, and apply. If you just click on that, this page will show up the Timeitc recruitment page, which is like this. If you see there is a green button, apply to be a virtual assistant now. If you just click on that and submit the simple form and send your resume to them, and so that they can hire you as a virtual assistant if you are meet their requirements and if you passed the qualifications. So this is the number 8 positions. The number 9th site is called Virtualland.com. Virtualland.com is also a really good virtual assistant service provider, and if you just go through this website how they works, they are really professional way. But if you just scroll down, all the way down, you can see that there is a green join our team button. If you just click on that, it will load this page is the job sections. If you just see that there, and you can simply hit this apply now button to apply as a virtual assistant and send your resume to this company. It's also a trusted and legit company that will hire you, and you can work as a virtual assistant without any problem. So the last but not least, the number 10 position is called boldly.com. Boldly.com is also a very old and trusted virtual assistant provider company that celebrates 10th year now. So simply, these are really professional virtual assistant service provider, and if you just scroll through all the settings, you can learn more about it, how they works. But simply, if you just click on this, the career with boldly.com, this is the link. If you just click on it, it will load the jobs page for Boldly. You can just finally join it by click this apply to join us button, and it will simply show the simple form, and you can just submit it and your resume, and you will be hired in no time if you meet the requirements. So what is the requirement of all of these type of jobs? Simply, virtual assistance is obviously a virtual assistance job, so people need various type of assistance. So it's not with one skills you can, and you cannot survive in this field. So you need to have some multiple skills. Like, you obviously, to be a virtual assistant, you need to be well organized. So if you are well organized person, you can go for it as a virtual assistant. So also, you have to have a skills like time management. You have to schedule your work. You have to complete your work in a goal, time based goal. So time management is very, very important. You have to have a social media management skills, so that you can manage people's social media accounts, and multiple social media accounts you have to manage at a time. So simply, this is a very important skill. Also, some companies want their website to manage their data entry and their content, any upload or download or any data research, something like that. You have to manage those websites or social presence or web presence out there. That is also a very good requirement for virtual assistants. Also, the basic is you need sometimes various type of data entry works for those companies. So you have to have skills like Microsoft Word, Excels, or anything office software like that. You have to be you need to be able to use those softwares. So that is also one of the important skills for virtual assistants. Also, in this in an optional way, you have to have skills through communications. You have to use like Slack, Zoom, or Skype, so that you can communicate with peoples with, so that you can provide virtual assistants to for those companies. So skills also, you need to have a decent writing skills and verbal skills as well, so that you can speak good English, good pronunciations, all these type of things as very much requirement, as you are representing some companies to their customers. So that is the way it is. You have to be a perfectionist so that you can do that. But so this is not for everyone, but if you have those kind of skills, many people have those kind of skills. So simply, surely you can do that if you have those type of skills, and you can apply in these websites without any worries. You can make a decent amount of money. $100 is just a minimum. You can make thousands of dollars. People are making working at home by providing virtual assistant service from their home. So this is a really, really good way to earn. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos on Money Horn. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.